Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are a group of college students passionate about creating exciting learning experiences for kids. Our activities cover reading, writing, and math. My name is Yash Tilkare, and in this video, we are diving into an engaging reading adventure that's both entertaining and educational. So get ready to explore the enchanting world of group reading. Picture this: stories that come alive where reading is like a team sport. Today, we are not just reading, we are diving into a cool activity that's all about working together, understanding what we read, and having a blast with stories. So, get ready for a reading adventure that's going to make you smile, think, and have lots of fun. Whether you are on your own or with friends, get ready to step into the magical world of reading. So, are you excited? Let's jump in and start this fantastic journey. Alright, little explorers, let's kick off our reading adventure. Imagine this step as picking a special key to unlock a magical door. You get to choose a book or a story that speaks to you. Maybe a colorful storybook that's bursting with pictures, a piece from a bigger book that makes you curious, or even a fascinating article that makes you think. It's like selecting a treasure chest filled with wonders. So go ahead and pick your reading material and get ready to dive into the world of imagination and fun. For example, I have a few books like this one, this one, this one, and yeah, also this one. So I can select any one of these and can continue with the activity. So I wish the similar thing with you guys and pick up the reading material and let's get started. So are you all set, adventurers? As you open your chosen book, it's like stepping into a world where words paint pictures and characters become your friends. Imagine this step as putting on a magical cloak that takes you right into the story. See the characters, smile, feel the wind rustle through the pages, and sense the excitement of this adventure. By immersing yourself in the story this way, you become a part of it, just like joining a team on an amazing journey. So who's ready for the next part of our adventure? Imagine the story as a puzzle waiting to be solved. Each page holds a clue and every word is like a secret code. As you read, certain parts might make you wonder, what's going on here? Or why did the character do that? It's like solving a mystery, finding hidden treasures in the words and understanding the story's special message. By exploring deeper, you are like a brave explorer uncovering the secrets of a new land. Now it's time to use your imagination, little thinkers. Think of this step as a chance to put on a detective hat. Have you ever thought, I wonder what happens next, or why did they do that? Make an assertion is like saying, I think this might happen because, or I believe the character did this because. It's your way of adding your ideas to the story, just like adding colorful decorations to a beautiful cake. Your ideas are like shining stars that make the story even more special. Imagine you are sitting in a circle with friends, ready to share a special secret. Now think of the story you are reading as that of a secret. When you take turns, it's like passing around a treasure chest filled with your favorite parts of the story. As you listen to your friends, you are discovering new gems that you might have missed. Sharing your favorite lines, scenes, or parts that made you smile is like adding colorful stones to a friendship bracelet. Each stone represents a piece of the story that brings you all closer together. Just like friends sharing a story, you are building a bond through the stories you love. Picture this, adventurers. You have finished the story and now you are a storyteller. Imagine you are weaving a beautiful tapestry with the threads of the story. As you retell what you have read in your own words, it's like painting a vivid picture for your friends. You are not just telling them what happened, you are adding your own magical touch to the tale. By sharing the story with your unique voice, you are spreading the joy of reading like ripples in the pond. It's like you are the keeper of the story secrets, passing on the adventure to others and keeping its magic alive. So kids, that's the reading adventure we have just embarked upon. This engaging activity showcases the power of group reading, collaborative learning, and storytelling. By actively participating, asking questions, making assertions, and taking turns, you have not only enhanced your reading comprehension but also honed your teamwork and communication skills. I encourage each one of you to try this activity with a friend, a family member, or even by yourself. Reading is a wonderful journey that opens doors to countless worlds, ideas, and experiences. We would love to hear about your reading adventures. Share your thoughts on the story you explored today in the comment section below. Did you uncover any surprising twists or make any interesting connections? Let us know all about them. If you enjoyed this activity and want to join us for more fun and educational endeavors, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will stay updated on our latest videos that bring learning to life in exciting ways. Thank you so much for joining us on this reading adventure. Your enthusiasm and curiosity truly makes these experiences worthwhile. Until our next adventure together, keep reading, keep exploring, and keep learning. Take care and see you soon.